In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add technical indicators like RSI or MACD when analyzing stocks on Robinhood. This is a useful skill for anyone wanting to take a closer look at stock trends, identify entry and exit points, or just get a better understanding of market movements. Let's start by opening up the Robinhood app on your mobile device or the website on your desktop. Go ahead and log into your account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, where you can see your portfolio and top stocks at a glance. To analyze a specific stock, you'll want to use the search bar at the top of the app or website. Type in the name or the ticker symbol of the stock you're interested in and select it from the results. This will bring you to the detailed page for that stock, where you can view the latest price information, company details, and, most importantly for today, the price chart. Look for the chart, which shows how the stock's price has moved over time, and tap or click directly on the chart. This action will expand the chart area, giving you a more detailed view and access to more technical tools. Now, take a close look near the top or bottom of the chart for an icon that looks like a bar chart. This is the Indicators button. Tap or click on this button to open up a menu of available technical indicators that you can overlay onto your chart. From the list that appears, go ahead and choose either RSI, which stands for Relative Strength Index, or MACD, which is the Moving Average Convergence Divergence Indicator. Both are popular tools among traders and investors. Select the indicator you want to use by tapping or clicking it. In most cases, you can only add one at a time, but some platforms do allow multiple overlays. After you select your indicator, you'll see it appear right below the main price chart. If you picked RSI, you'll notice a single line below the chart. This line typically moves between values of 0 and 100, showing whether the stock might be overbought or oversold. Generally, when the RSI is above 70, the stock might be considered overbought, and when it's below 30, it might be seen as oversold. If you selected MACD, you'll see a histogram with a line crossing through it. MACD helps you spot potential buy or sell signals based on the relationship between moving averages. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it could indicate a buying opportunity. When it crosses below, it might signal a time to sell. Take a moment to explore how these indicators react as the stock price changes. Use the information from RSI or MACD to inform your trading decisions, but remember, no single indicator guarantees success. It's best to use them alongside other research, and that's all it takes. Now you know how to add and use technical indicators like RSI and MACD on Robinhood to better analyze your favorite stocks. Thanks for watching and happy investing.